Do you want to grow your brand or increase sales? Social media marketing is the easiest way to reach an enormous audience. Nowadays, half of the global population uses social media. SMM uses social media platforms for brand promotion, target audience growth, driving website traffic, and increasing sales. So, are you ready to start with social media marketing, but still wondering how you can take full advantage of it? Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, Let's Talk Success. Today, we are going to talk about how you can make social media marketing effective to increase brand awareness, boost website traffic, and much more. We created a detailed video on why you should even consider starting social media marketing. If you're interested, please check out that video too. Here are the 7 social media marketing tips for beginners. Number 1. Create a content plan for every platform. Doing SMM without a content plan is a bad idea. You'll get confused quickly and your marketing won't be effective. Moreover, you should create a different plan for each platform. They can vary by the average frequency of posting, themes, post formatting, and so on. Your task is to spot optimum options for every platform you use and make it work the best way possible. To manage all this multiplicity, use special service for auto posting. They will not only help schedule posts, but also watch the metrics across all your social accounts. Number 2. Post regularly and frequently. The main rule for successful social media marketing is posting on a regular schedule consistently, because your followers will get used to receiving your content on a schedule. They will be upset if you don't deliver it on time. Frequency also matters. Brands that publish new content once or twice a day engage twice as many users as brands that post several times a week. To maintain such a high frequency, try to use pieces of old content. Transform existing blog posts, landing pages, and offers that you have on your website into a new format, tailored to each platform. For example, you can publish infographics from your landing page as a self-sufficient post. Number 3. Include hashtags to increase brand awareness. When used correctly, hashtags will help your content appear in search engine results, spread the knowledge about your brand, and create a closely knit community. Monitor popular hashtags in your industry and make sure they haven't been used before. Analyze how they perform with your audience. As well as using existing hashtags, try your hand at creating your own branded hashtags, as Pringles did. Creating your own hashtag allows you to track what your followers and customers are saying about your media presence and product. Number 4. Use visuals to boost engagement. Incorporating visuals into your social media marketing is not an option, but a necessity. 80% of marketers are already doing it, and it works. Users like this kind of content and share it with others more willingly. For instance, tweets with images or other types of visuals are retweeted 1.5 times more than posts without them. One of the most engaging type of visual content is video. 60% of people said they watch videos on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, or Instagram in the last month. And you can create videos without an enormous budget or team of professionals. Instead, try to make animated videos with free services. Film your workday on a smartphone, or use content generated by other users as Limecrime does. Number 5. Explore different content formats. Each social media platform offers a variety of content formats. For instance, on Facebook, you can post long reads, short text posts, standard and 360 videos, and stories. Instagram allows you to publish stories, photos, short videos, and long videos on IGTV. Try different features that social networks offer you. Keep track of the results and use the ones that work well for your company. For example, National Geographic works with 360 videos and gets tons of reactions from their followers. Number 6. Interact with your audience. Audience interaction is the primary role of SMM. Regularly monitor comments and discussions. Always answer your followers' questions and never delete negative feedback and reviews. If your client is not satisfied, do your best to change the impression and improve their current and future experiences. Your goal is not only apologizing, but also helping the customer solve the problem, as Domino's Pizza does on Facebook. Number 7. Entertain your subscribers. Finding funny and entertaining content is the main reason that people use social media. So, posting jokes on your company's social media account gives your audience what they want and may increase their engagement. But be careful. Jokes should be funny yet polite, industry related, and dosed accurately. If you feel awkward posting jokes, try another way to keep them amused with other entertaining content formats, such as text games, questions, or challenges. Here is a dose of inspiration from ASOS. The company posted a brain teaser and got more than 100 comments. That's it. Those were our 7 tips for beginners. Social media is great for interacting with customers around the clock. If you have tried social media marketing, but without any luck, you may want to check out our video on the most common mistakes people make and how to avoid them while doing SMM. If you're having trouble creating a strategy for your social media marketing and don't know where to start, make sure to watch our video on developing a social media strategy step by step. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you got some value out of it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you can grow your wealth. See you on the other side. Take care.